Electric Thruster Motor Repair Project. On Semi-Submersible Drilling Rig. By Engineer Alexander Neto. Preparing to cut the access hatch from pontoon to thruster room. Access hatch cut from pontoon to thruster room. Removing the pontoon access hatch. Pontoon access hatch finished. Moving the wave protection for install on pontoon. Removing the first electric thruster motor for send to repair on manufacturing. Removing the second electric thruster motor to send to repair. The electric thruster motors was removed and the rig stay waiting in the shipyard to install the motors in place. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe in my YouTube channel, Engineer Alexander Neto. At Alexander Neto 1145.